Hey there, today we are going to see that how you can build a website in a very short time. So if you are familiar with Elementor, so it will be a really great, helpful video for you. So we get some clients on marketplaces who needs to create a website with a few pages, for example, home, about, service, blog and contact. There might be some other, but they don't need more than 5 to 7 pages. So if you get such client and who needs to create a website on WordPress, then you can offer this template kits. If you visit ThemeForest, you can see there is an option templates. Just click on it, then you can see there are lots of categories: business, technology, app, creative design and some others. So just visit one of the categories, click on it, then we can see cryptocurrency, blockchain and Bitcoin Elementor template kit. Just click one of them, 24 USD. Then you can see that the features is with Elementor free version. You can see some are with comes with Elementor pro version. Then you can tell your client that they have to buy the pro version Elementor. Otherwise you can offer them free, which are with free options. You can offer them. Then this includes home page, about page, contact and some other and features, header, builder, required plugins, elements kit, elements kit and light, element kit light and contact 7. This template was built with this plugin. How to install? You can see the instruction. Well, let's visit the, click on live preview. Okay, there are some other, you can, if you have any client who is or she is a lawyer, you can offer such template to them. Okay, you can see home, service, about, FAQ. Almost you will get every pages you need to create a website for a small company or a or personal or business website. You can visit them. They're really nice and modern. This is a website for a lawyer. So you can get an idea from here that you, on marketplaces, freelance marketplaces especially, you can get a client who needs to create a creative real estate construction, creative design, real estate construction, health and medical. For example, a doctor needs to create a website uh, for his or own or for his agency or anything. Then you can offer a doctor such template. That's a really easy to use really, and easy to customize. Okay, I hope this video will help you, and thank you for watching the video.